Hello, studio friends. I just wanted to go through and explain your design journal assignment and what's happening today in case there's any confusion. So down here you have assignments for class on 331. It should look like this. You will see a link to this video that you're watching right now in here. But the first thing I want you to do is complete your mood board if you haven't done so already. So please make sure you work on that. And then the second thing is going to be the design journal. For this, I want you guys to just use a piece of cardstock, which you can find in the cabinet. Just look around. There might be some in the cabinet that's on the, it's like the far right cabinet by the door. Okay, so just look around together. It'll be a fun little scavenger hunt, okay? There also might be some on the wall kind of behind where you guys normally used to sit, above the counter. There might be areas where there's cardstock as well. You could also use scrapbook paper, like thick scrapbook paper, and you can find that all the way on the left side of the counter near the back room. Okay, so with that being said, the prompt is here. If you have issues downloading this like I am, I'm going to click on this, it doesn't work. So right click, save image as, and then just save it wherever. Should download here. Oh, cool, it doesn't work. Okay, I'll put that back in there for you correctly, but this is what you should see. Okay, this is your journal prompt, okay? Most of the time we think of journals as, writing prompts. So you can write if you want a little bit. Michaela, I know you like to write and you're into English and stuff like that, which is great, I love that. But we want to focus more on how do you take something that maybe is a thought that usually is writing and turn it into something visual, okay? So the prompt is about I am. So basically, it's really about who you are. You can read the prompt more in depth if you would like, but it's just a way to promote who you are. So think of this as a giant mood board about you personally. What do you like? What are you inspired by? Really anything. And when you put this together, I want you guys to use all different types of materials. So I want you to use images maybe that you print. I want you to use magazines. I want you to use 3D materials. So if you need to hot glue anything or if you need to rubber cement anything, do it, okay? Have fun with this. This design journal is just for you. So make sure that it doesn't have to make sense to someone else, okay? So just focus on yourself, what you like, maybe what you aspire to be, what's intriguing to you, how do you feel, really anything, you guys, okay? As long as it completes the answer, I am ... Okay? We will work on this today, and then we will also work on it Friday after you complete the calendar and material planning for your next independent project. That's it, you guys. I hope you have a great day. Email me if you need anything, and I will try and help you where I can. Bye.